Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to enable the developer ribbon or the developer tab in your Microsoft Word. Now, once you have your Microsoft Word open, you want to click on File on the upper left hand side. Now, once you click on File, you might see a More option. And if you see a More option, you can click on that and then you will be able to find all of those ribbons. You will see the option to customize and you can easily select it from there. And the steps that I'm about to share with you is pretty straightforward and quite similar. So you'll either have the More option or you'll have to go to Options here. And once you're here in the options here, guys, you want to look for customized ribbon. So if you don't find the More option and then customize ribbon, then you have to just go to the options and then select customize ribbon. Now here you will find a bunch of options, right? So here under the main tab section towards the right side, if you scroll all the way down, you will see the option that says developer. And on the left hand side, you will see the options that you can easily go ahead and add in as well. So these are some of the other options that you can add so you can customize your Microsoft Word to what you want, right? But on the right hand side, you'll need to scroll down, you'll find the developer. Just simply check this box, then simple click and OK, and then you will now have developer at the top there, right between the view and the help. So you can easily click on that and you can do whatever you want from the developer options in Microsoft Word. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.